Hello everyone, Minasan konnichiwa. I'm walking from the Singapore Flyer to Promenade MRT, about 400 meters walk. So let's go. Along the way you see different landmarks, the Pan Pacific Plan, 5-star hotel, and more. Behind you can see the Art Science Museum. I just finished seeing the Chinke 2026. Lots of performance. You can check out my video. They dress in different kind of costumes. Malay costume, Indian, Chinese. Wow. There's buses here. Go to Yishun. Oh, the MRT is just diagonally opposite them. Nearly I thought. But you know, we can walk to the City Hall, Marina Square from here. I wish they use something else than the Easter, man. Breakfast Bollywood. Today MRT will be jammed. Lots of people. It's a nice view, the Marina Bay Sands, right? I think one of the security is a woman, but she dressed and she sounds like a guy. It's very common, man, in Singapore. Promenade MRT SCA. That is the Circle Line and the Downtown Line. This one are more in front. Volunteers. So we have policemen here. We have security here. We have different kinds of people. But the police I see doing the security is the older one, older police. Maybe in their 50s and 60s already. In front, some older, but they are too younger. Yeah, we have arrived so fast. Lots of bicycle for rent. I used to thought it's for free, no? But nothing is free in Singapore except tap water. Finally arrived at Promenade MRT. I can fit a little aircon and grab for it. Heard some fireworks. Let's run out and watch it.